Good evening, guys, and welcome to Horror Tech. And today, I'm going to show you my new technology. It's basically Smart Dustbin. So, so I'm putting it here. Okay, and I'm putting it in, and I have connected this to the computer. Then wiring I have done. This is the sensor which I have connected here. Everything. So the connection is done. This is the program which I have written, and now I am going to upload it. So this is the upload option. So I'm uploading the program. So here, as you can see, so it's done uploading. So the program is being uploaded here. So I have this. This is the Arduino board. This is the sensor, and this is a very smart dustbin. Okay, automatically this will get open, and we can put things on because days are passing by and we are becoming late. We are becoming lazy day by day. So this smart dustbin is for future use. So I have built this technology, and I am going. So I'm putting it here. Okay, and I'm putting it in. Now I'll put this. This is smart dustbin. Okay, this smart dustbin. Okay, yeah, I'm putting it in. I can automatically, it will get close. Yes. One more. Yes. One more. I'll put this here. Yes.